Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, October 10th, 2022. Here we had a large white timing window in the A3 where the market bottomed out early last night, right after midnight, as you can see by the vertical line on the left. Blue line I have there right at the October 9th date. That coincided with the bottom on the green line, which you can see if you review the last video from Saturday, where I did the Astro Excel projection. We're in a soft uptrend, gonna last till tonight around midnight before it rolls back over going into tomorrow. But we've made this bottom here right at the beginning of that window, coincided with the Astro Excel, and there's one more timing window, main timing window for today. Between 11:45 and 12:48, you see the bright green window on the A2, and I marked the two vertical lines where we intersect the A1 panel. First, right at the beginning of the window, it's around 11:45, 11:48, and then again where the white window on the A1 is overlapping that, and that line there is about 12:20 or so. So those are going to be key time points for today. We've got the other timers you can also look at. You can coincide the rainbow and the Astro Excel gray line with that in this area. Here's the Astro Excel chart with the gray line. Looking at this on a 1 minute chart, these spikes on the gray line will often give you turning points in the shorter time frame. So what I've done, I've marked the timing window from the vedic chart onto this chart from that 11:45 to 12:45 frame. And we've got these key timers in there, 11:50. We've got this spike here at about 12:06. The spike low there at 12:14. The high at 12:23, which coincides with the vedic chart. The spike low here at 12:37, and then the high right near the end of the window at 12:43. As you recall, the beginnings and endings of the windows are important for highs and lows, and especially here with this gray line spike at the end of the window, that could signify a turn. It's possible that the market can bounce up and down off all these lines inside that window. So those are the key timing points for inside the window. Hope you guys find that useful, and we'll be back again with another video tomorrow.